A very beautiful day this seems. Today we're coming live from the shores of the Indian Ocean. So basically these are natural beach along the coastal sides, Kenya, Mombasa in specifics, and I'll be taking you through a short tour into the deep oceans, as you can see, deep to that end, as we will be literally explaining a few miseries of the ocean that have since never been explained by most scientists. To begin with, there's a tale, or there's an explanation to the level of water, the ocean water level. And like every evening, the water level often flocks to that end. And like for this case where you can find us walking all free. So in most cases, in the evening, the water level gets to the shore, and later, early mornings, the water level reduces, as you can notice. So there's an explanation to this, a geographic explanation, that is. So the geographic explanation points out the water level drift to a gravitational pull from the moon, from which it's believed that in the evenings the distance between the Earth and the moon reduces, and that's a higher gravitational pull. So the gravitational pull will eventually pull up the water, which explains why in the evening you'll find the water level closer to the shores, and early this morning, literally this is 12:00 noon, and you can see in most cases it's difficult to find someone walking at this specific spot due to the rise in the water level in the evening often. But today we still keep moving to that end, which explains the concept of the moon gravitational pull. So for now we can have our arguments for, as at now, so that is the morning hours, the distance between the Earth and the moon have broadened, and thus a reduced gravitational pull between the water and the moon, further explaining why the water level has moved further from here. So there are several other miseries, so that is at least explainable. There are different other sea miseries that have since never been explained by scientists, and we'll be talking about those as we walk through the ocean shore. Deep into the ocean, you can notice individuals. You could be wondering what they are doing. Most of them are fishing. Majority are fishing using the manual local hooks from which they get worms. Got to be very careful. They get worms from here, have them hooked into a hook, which they try their luck with fishing. So we are getting closer to the higher water levels. It's surprising that as of now I can walk along here. In the evening I'll be having you a similar walk here. And believe you me, it is impossible to walk through this part in the evening, as the water level shall have risen. So walk with me as we have the good view. Okay, the ocean shores is characterized by given health benefits. I hope you noted that the ocean is believed to be therapeutical. That is one. In the evenings, you often find individuals flocking by the ocean shores, all in a bid to have a cool breeze from the ocean, from which you could be wondering why the ocean. So the ocean water has been characterized by specific health benefits, and I guess we'll have to talk about the health benefits of the ocean too. I'd mentioned it being therapeutical. That is one. Then there's a benefit again of skin health care. The ocean water is again believed to be curative to most skin diseases. We're getting closer. I guess I went for the wrong path. I could have gone to the other end. Just the wrong path. So the ocean's natural spa is rich with natural minerals. The minerals include magnesium, and I guess you know the importance of magnesium to the body. Must have gone through the wrong route. Getting deep. So the minerals we were talking about, that is magnesium, dealing with the detoxification of the skin. So that is just one of the benefits of the second benefit that can be accredited to the ocean is the therapy that comes with the ocean water. So it frees you from mental stress. Anyone struggling with mental issues, it's highly advised that you often times pay visits to ocean to have a cool breeze along. So we going deep had gone for the wrong route now to get moving. Deep to that end, I hope you can notice individuals. Once I mentioned fishing, to get closer to them, the manual fishing process. So notice the specific plants here that are apparently very dangerous. I guess you can notice them. Okay, now